Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Audi Q5. This one is a Premium Plus, of course powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, panoramic sunroof, plenty of room back here. Oh yeah, it doesn't work when the car's on, that's right. To go through. There we go, plenty of room back here. Bang & Olufsen sound system. I never knew that slid forward. Not sure how I didn't notice that. But yeah. Right. Backup camera, loading up. There we go, good to go. Oh. Okay, so you can switch between the different modes for parallel parking or... So that kind of tells you, what spot you're... Ah, okay. I like that. That's a pretty cool idea. Two different modes for the transmission. You got normal drive and you have sport. Down into sport mode. So I spent the night with this car, drove it home, and of course now I'm driving it to work after I'm done filming. Is that like a heat shield to a cat? That's precisely what that is. Someone did a cat delete. I will say, I am impressed how comfortable this is. I just, last week or the week before, had an SQ5, a 2018 SQ5, so of course the facelift SQ5. And that was a very fun car, very comfortable, but this is even more comfortable because this obviously isn't an SQ5. That 2-liter, very responsive. If you hear any noise, it's my water to go to work. brake pedal feels actually nice and progressive. Comfortable, again. Everything about this is comfortable. Is it fun to drive sportily? Yeah, it is. I do wish there were some paddles behind the steering wheel. But you can obviously just bump it into manual mode. Seven-speed automatic. Yeah, manual mode shifts are very quick. We'll say the Bang & Olufsen sound system does sound very good, but all in all, no. I've been really impressed with the car. It's been super comfortable. This one only has 54,000 miles. Absolutely gorgeous condition. All in all, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.